Hello and welcome back. Today I decided to share with you the process of using Canva Pro to remove a background. So we start by going in. I just created a logo, which is like 500 pixel by 500 pixel. And I'm going to go and get a picture that I already have. Let me scroll through and see something that I haven't already taken the background off. So what I'm going to do is use one of my product pictures, and it was just a basic picture I took of a product that I created. No fancy background or nothing. It was just it was a white wall, off white wall behind it, and I'm going to use that one to get rid of the wall. Then I'm gonna add my little logo on it as soon as I find it. Okay, here we go. We got some bonnet pictures. We're gonna grab one of these right quick. Bam. I selected it, hit OK, and added it. I went in to make it the background. So making it a background is going to make it fill up this whole box. Okay, you can even see the little white freezer is standing on. We gonna get all that out of there. So I go into image and then I go in and remove background. Now there's another way to do it. I will do another video on that one at a later date. But this is with Canva Pro. I'm going to show you the free way as well to get them products popping for the free 99. Okay. All right. So boom, everything is gone, just like that. So I was going to write something else instead. I was just going to retype my name out, like I don't already have a logo with a transparent background. I can sit up here. But anywho, I put this right here and I was like, you know what? Why did I do that? So now let me go ahead and delete that. Show you guys how I highlight it and delete it. Okay, we're gonna delete that. And then I'm gonna go on the side and go through all of the different things that I already created and select that transparent background that I have over there. And I can just sit it wherever I want to sit it. Lately I've been putting them inside my pictures, so I just kind of put it in the corner. I can sit it on the pretty much anywhere, but for it to be seen, it's a little bit easier to be seen in the white part. You can go do what it is you need to do, and basically I'm going to just go download this as a PNG, and in my next video I'm going to show you how I use the same PNG to make my YouTube thumbnail. All right, be right back.